Everybody, let's start with Navkar mantra. Namo Arihantanam, Namo Siddhanam, Namo Ayariyanam, Namo Uvajjayanam, Namo Loe Savva Sahunam, Eso Pancha Namukkaro, Savva Pava Panasano, Manglanam Cha Savvesim, Padhamam Havai Mangalam. Okay, Jai Jinendra, everybody. Shall we start now, Chetul bhai?
So we can start.
Okay, Jai Jinendra, everybody, and welcome to our Gahuli information session. And myself, I don't have to introduce myself. You all know me very well. I'm Neetu, and along with me, Mandy, Jane, and Karuna Kothari. We will be hosting this activity. So Mandy is right here. Mandy, can you say hi to everybody?
Hello, everyone.
Yeah, and I think Karuna, she didn't join yet, right?
Yeah, I don't see Karuna.
We'll wait for her. Well, anyways, so as you all know, why we are this activity, we are conducting this activity on the occasion of 25th anniversary of our Jain Society of Houston, of our Jain temple. And we would like to thank Chetal Bhai and Preeti Jain, who have come up with all these 25 different wonderful activities on the occasion of 25th anniversary of Jain Society of Houston. And this is one of the activity of the within the list of the 25 activities. So Gahuli is one of the activity. Okay, so now here is how we are going to conduct this activity. So first, what we are going to do is, since you all have registered, now we have all the number of participants will be divided among myself, Karuna, and Mandy, and we will reach out to you all. We will contact you all, reach out to you all individually, and set up a session with you all, just a single session, where we will teach you all how to make a gahuli. So the gahuli, either you can choose a gahuli, or we can select a gahuli for you all, or you can come up with your own creativity, with your own idea. And then after that session, we will as well record, make a video recording of the gahuli, and then send it to you all, and then you all can practice that at home. And so 24th April is when you all will have to come to the temple, which is Saturday, and then make your gahuli there in the temple. So I hope you all are prepared for 24th April as well. And and myself, Mandy, and Karuna, we will be there in the temple to help you all out as well. And you will be given time slots as to when you can come to the temple and do your gahuli. And yeah, and then quickly, let me just share my screen and show you some simple gahuli designs. चेतल भाई, मैं शेयर कर पाऊंगी?
Yes, you are co-host, so you should be able to share.
Okay.
Your नीचे ना वो shared screen है, तो if you click on share screen.
Yeah. Okay. So here are some of the designs. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, we can see.
Okay. All right. So if you want to select one from this, then you can, or you can come up with your own design, your own creativity. We can help you out as well. And you can Google and select from there as well. Okay, that's all. So these were some few simple designs which you all can. These are like not really complicated. These are very easy. You can try it out once, and yeah, and then let us know. If you want to select something from this, or you can come up with your own design, or you can select something from. You can Google and select something from there. All right, now I would like to pass it on to Mandy, and she would explain about how to color the rice and how you can decorate your gahuli. Yes, Mandy.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. This is Mandy. And so related to the rice, when we make gahuli, rice is very important. The size of the rice, what we take, it normally I see in temple, everybody use basmati rice. So because of the long grain, the gahuli shape doesn't come that well. So what I would prefer, Neetu, can you share the rice photo? Can you
The
share your
brand.
screen? Yeah.
Okay, yeah, all right. Here.
Yeah. So this is a specific brand called Double Horse. You will easily find it in any Indian store. So this rice are perfect that we can use for gauli. So now the point when it comes on coloring the gauli. So I'll share a very small quick video of how to color this rice, and you can follow that. If you have any doubt looking at the video, you can personally ping me, Neetu, or Karuna, any of us, and we can help you out. So the concept to color the rice is because we have tables in temple that all are white. So if we use white rice, so the gauli is not going to stand that good. So if you use the color rice, the gauli will look more pretty, and then it will be more colorful. So example, if you take a pineapple, just Neetu has shown, so you can use the color of the pineapples. You can also use two shades, like in yellow, then you can take a little bit of orange on the bottom, and you can be more creative. So yeah, so rice is very important. If you can buy this specific brand, that would be great. That will help the gauli to come out very nicely, and it will be easy for kids also to do the shapes. Yeah, Neetu. Anything
Right,
else?
Mandy. And
Yeah.
then decorating your
Yeah,
gahuli.
we can also decorate it. We can use sparkles on the gauli. We can use some stars and the diamonds to, give little more attraction to the gauli. So the diamonds, sparkles, and we can use diya to decorate the table also. So everybody will have a specific table, and then you can decorate your own table. You can write your name also on the table with the rice. So, you have a lot of creativity. You can play with the rice, and you can use diya, the candles, everything.
Artificial flowers.
Yeah, flowers and whatever ideas come in your mind, you can Google search. And if you not getting any idea, then you can definitely reach out to us. We can help you. Looking at your gauli, what gauli you want to do, and then we can also help you out for the decorations.
Right, Mandy.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And now let's hear from Karuna Kothari. Karuna, are you there? Okay, I think she didn't join yet. All right, so the next part is so April 24th is the day when you all will be called to the temple and make your gahuli there. So everyone, there are like there might be 13 or 15 tables, white tables. So each one, there'll be two-person doing on one table, two-person doing gahuli on one table. So you'll have to choose your design accordingly as well. And then so that is Saturday on 24th April, and we will allot you time slots. That's when you will have to come and make your gahuli. So you might at least need 1 hour to make your gahuli there. And then at that time, let's say you need help with the shape or anything else, then we will always, with the decoration or anything, then we will always be there to help you out. And you will have to color your rice a day before, or like few days before, so that you're ready with the rice. And then when you color your rice as well, try to make a little bit extra, so you might need that colored rice somewhere here and there. So always keep little extra. And then on that day, you all will have to dress up really really nice because we will be we will be recording you as well. Okay, yeah, so dress up very well. We will make a video recording. We will video recording would be for 15 seconds, where you will introduce yourself. You will introduce your Gahuli, just 2-line description about your Gahuli, and introduce yourself as well. And all these videos will be compiled and into one single video, and then that will be presented. I think, are we supposed to say that, Preeti, or no, not yet?
No, right now we have to take a video and everything. We just give a detail. But I think we have to go more detail about the colorize. We have to get your
Talking on the
color
phone, can
right
you
and
wait now?
everything.
Right.
Even decoration stuff, we have to get it. Whatever you feel, you can ask Karuna, Mandy, and Neetu. If you need any help, they will always help you. So basically, we need to be ready with all that stuff, right, Neetu?
Right, yeah. So you all will have to get your eyes. You all will have to color your eyes. You all will have to get your decoration stuff as well. So you all will have to be ready with that, and get everything to the temple on April 24th. That is Saturday.
And how to color the rice, Neetu?
Yeah, so that's what Mandy just mentioned. So she's going to just, Mandy, you want to go ahead and say it again?
Yeah, so I'll share a small video. So I'll show you the exact quantity, how much to put the color. If you need dark, light, so accordingly you can follow. You can just try, play with the rice once I show the video. And if the color doesn't come well, you can always wash the rice and recolor it again. So, it's not a very big task. It's a very easy thing we can do. So I'll just share the video soon, and then you guys can follow with the video.
Yeah, and then if the color is very light, then they can,
Recolor it.
Yeah, recolor on the same rice again.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's how you can color your eyes. And then, so basically, really dress up very well, because the recordings are very important on that day, the video clips. All right, I think we pretty much covered everything. So do you guys have any questions?
I think we are very excited for this activity, seriously. Especially my kids, like I know Jill is 12 years, but my little one, she's 7 years, and she keep telling me why I'm not joining this activity. And I think the best part is, getting your own rice, because mandir mein aap kuch bhi chadao, it's better to get your own stuff. So
Right.
we don't have that burden of putting anything on the temple or anybody else. That's something very important for it's not. I'm sure Neetu and Mandy can do all this stuff and they can get the stuff for us, but there's an important part behind this. So getting our own rice again, if we color that rice, it's a kind of activity for the kids. They learn how to do this stuff, and I'm
Right.
sure once they learn this, even in the mandir, whenever you guys are doing Goli, maybe my kids will join you guys.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Yes,
no, that
Amita,
would be
you
awesome.
have a question?
Yes, I have one question. I missed the first 5 minutes part, but I wanted to know: are you guys when are we meeting? First meeting will be?
Oh no, so each participant will be assigned an individual class, single session. Yeah,
Oh,
so
okay.
because then this cannot be a group session, because everybody's Gauli is going to be different, right?
Right.
So at the same time, we cannot, accommodate everybody and, teach different stuff at the different Gauli at the same time. So
Okay.
yeah, and that'll happen soon, because now everything is ready. All we have to do is just form the groups. So it's between myself, Mandy, and Karuna. And once
Okay.
the group is ready, then we will reach out to you all and set up a time,
Okay.
whatever works for you and for us as well.
And you guys will teach us, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So if you know any Gahuli which you can make, I mean, if you know your own, then you can try that out as well. And if you know, if you don't want us to teach you a Gahuli, and if you already know a Gahuli, then you can make, just try it out once at home, take a picture and send it to us once.
Okay, sounds good.
Right, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and please go and Google, and then, Google yourself as well. I mean, we have certain designs, but you can Google as well. And if you're so particular about, like, I want to make this design, then we can help you out with that design as well.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, right.
Mm,
Yeah,
sounds
so
good.
some basics here and there, like how to form the shape, and
Mhm.
you know, from where exactly you're supposed to start so that you don't mess it up, and yeah, stuff like that, you know, that will help you all.
Okay,
So,
sounds
yeah, yeah, and then as well, you know, after, like, let's say I had a session with you, Amita, and then
good.
I taught you how to make the gahuli, and you almost got it, but you were not 100% sure. So
Hmm.
after that, after our session, what we are going to do is I'm going to make the gahuli at home and make the video recording and send it to you all so that you all can practice at home.
Sounds good.
Yeah, and you'll have enough time to practice at home, so you can master that, you know, and you'll have like enough 20-25 days.
Okay, perfect,
Yeah.
perfect.
Yep. Any other
It
questions?
will be fun.
Oh yeah, I'm waiting for that. Believe me, you know, I'm, you know, the most fun part will be like when once all the gahulis are ready and all the tables are already decorated, and then
Right.
they'll be there for till Sunday or maybe for a week, and then on the day of Mahavir Jayanti, this will be a very good display.
Okay,
Yeah.
sounds good.
Right. Yeah. Anyone else?
So what do you think when we can have that slots? Maybe next week? There will be a Google form or something, right, Neetu?
Well, we have everybody's information. So
Okay.
once we divide the participants among us, then we have their number as well, right? And email. So that's how we will
Okay.
reach out to them.
Okay.
Yeah. And then there are many videos online, you know, as to how to color the rice, right, Mandy? Yeah. So you can YouTube and search for those videos and look for like how you can color the rice as well.
So I have a question.
Yes, Karika.
Yeah, so basically, when you said the time slot, so is there a time slot for 24th as well, or I just got confused a little bit? The time
Well,
slot
these-
is for the person
Yeah.
who's assigned to me, right?
Yeah, so when I meant what I meant by time slots is that's on Saturday. So there are like, let's say there are 30 participants. So at a time we'll just call 10 participants. So it's
Right.
not that we are going to call all the 30 participants at the same time. So that's how, let's say if you're asked to come at between, if you're asked to come at 10 o'clock, so then please be there at 10. So you'll have 1 hour to make your gahuli. Because the next slot, the other group will start from 11. So this is how it will be divided. So those are the timings, but we can always, you know, talk to each other and try to cooperate with the time.
Got it. And then you talked about the distribution of the participants among you three teachers. So
Right.
how is that happening, like that one-on-one session? Is there a time slot for that as well? Or that will
we
happen
will-
offline?
Oh yeah, that once we divide the participants among us, so we will reach out to you all and then, you know, work out with you all, like when are you available, what time works for you and what time works for us as well.
Got it. And
Okay.
then if follow-up session is needed, we can work it out, right?
Yes,
If the child
definitely.
needs a follow-up session.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Anyone else?
Looks like we have to do music का भी ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए.
Like what exactly? I didn't understand that. Music during our session?
नहीं गाउली का ऐसे टीम बना रहे तो in future there will be so many student will be ready for a gauli, so we
Right.
can do in a big scale. So like भावना भी like you know छोटे छोटे बच्चे कितने talented है हमारे टेम्पल में, तो we
Right.
can make a ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं वर्कशॉप जैसा भावना.
Oh,
Team
that's a wonderful idea. I think that is something Preeti has to think about.
Yeah.
We always think about having a small band of the kids and everything. I think once we decided something and we had the COVID, I think we just need to wait. But I'm sure, because the way we had the talent show, the kids talent show,
Yeah.
I was amazed to see the kids how they were playing and singing, and that's the time we decided that we need to have a small group of kids playing piano and singing and drums and whatever, and we can have a small band also.
Right,
Like,
exactly.
yeah, so we will definitely plan once things gets, you know, back to the routine and the mandir and temple, everything gets, you know, to the same routine, then we will definitely think and we'll start this.
Right.
Yes.
In talent show also, I'm missing half student in our Jain center, because I know they are presenting in temple, but they were not presenting on that program. So I am watching them very carefully.
Right, right. We have many talented students. I know,
Yeah.
yeah, bachas in our Pachala.
Right,
Definitely,
right.
I think there's a difference between the virtual and, but I am still very happy the way the
No.
JHS handled the one whole year with COVID,
Right,
with
right.
lots of
No, no, no.
programs. And everything. That's,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
No, no, I'm not. I'm just saying that those kids are still hiding. That's what I'm saying.
Yes. I think once the temple opens, they all will come out again.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We have to bring them out.
Yeah, they will. Once they see other
Because,
kids are doing,
you know,
they will.
sometimes they need a motivation. They need a platform. What, like, you know, that way they will. Otherwise, they don't know how they are, right? But if we see them, if we tell them, I'm sure they will come out. That's what I'm saying.
Sure, that's true.
Right, right. Yes,
Yeah.
definitely. All right. Anyone else has any question regarding Gauli?
I think
we are good, right?
Mhm.
Looks
Yeah.
I
like
have a
good.
question.
All right, then. Thank you so much for
No, no, I think somebody had a
participating.
question.
Yeah,
Somebody
somebody have a
asked.
question, Neetu.
Sorry, what's that?
Somebody asked question.
Oh, yeah, what is it? I'm sorry.
Is the individual session going to be online or correct?
Yes, it's going to be online.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. All right, I guess we are done. So I would like to thank you all very much for participating in this wonderful activity. And I'm waiting for, you all, coming up with your great creativity, actually. That day will be a wonderful day. All right. Now, okay, shall we just conclude and just say Sarvamangala and end?
Yeah.
Yes, sure, yeah.
All right, yeah. Sarvamangala Mangalyam Sarva Kalyana Karanam Pradhanam Sarva Dharmanam Jainam Jayati Shasanam. All right, thank you, everybody.
Jinendra, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you,
Jai
Neetu. Thank you,
Jinendra.
Mandy.
Yeah.
Jai Jinendra.
Thank you,
Thank
Chatur Bhai. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.